And speaking of windows, let's see what our window and door specialist, Tat Granada from FHIA, has for us today.
This home's more unique than the homes we normally look at because it's a courtyard style home, which means the entrance to the home is right here off their pool area. And the homeowner really wanted to make a big statement in this space because it's such a beautiful area with a large geometric window up top and this double French door with 2 side lights. They were really concerned about a few things. Certainly hurricane protection was #1 on the list. It's very thin glass here. They've been here for about 3.5, 4 years and they just didn't feel safe during the last few threats of storms. So they wanted to make sure they had something really secure and really safe. They also wanted the day in and day out security of knowing no one would be able to break into the home. So they made a great decision. They're gonna love how everything turns out. I'm excited to get out of the way and let the installation team in here because this family is gonna love the decisions that they made. Stopping back at the installation, seeing the completed project, it really makes a big difference in the home and what the homeowners were trying to achieve by changing the front entrance to the home. They really wanted to upgrade their hurricane protection. They had a wooden frame door with just regular glass. They wanted the additional security of having hurricane impact glass. They also wanted something maintenance free and wouldn't warp and swell like the wood frame door did. Another big decision that the family had that they're really happy with how it turned out was what to do with the geometric windows above the door. They went with a great product from Custom Window Systems that not only gives them the hurricane protection they were looking for and enhances the curb appeal to the front of the home, but it also provides great energy efficiency that they love because of the natural sunlight that comes into the space and really helps open up the whole living room. So they love the decisions they made. The entry door turned out great and the geometric windows they are in love with. Everything turned out great here. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.